In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a Lightroom album to Google Drive the right way, quickly and safely. If you've ever tried to move an album straight from Lightroom and wondered why it won't upload directly, this tutorial will clear that up in just a few steps. The key thing to remember is that Lightroom albums do not upload to Google Drive directly. First, you need to export the album from Lightroom and then upload that exported folder to Drive. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Lightroom or Adobe Lightroom Classic and go to the album or collection that you want to upload. Once you're inside the album, select all of your photos. On Windows, you can use Ctrl+A, and on Mac, you can use Command+A. After everything is selected, click the Export button. This is the step that turns your Lightroom photos into regular image files that Google Drive can store and share. When the export window opens, choose the folder where you want the files saved on your computer, then set your export format to JPEG or PNG. For the best compatibility, JPEG is usually the easiest choice. If you want a quick quality tip, use sRGB color space and set JPEG quality somewhere between 80 and 100. That gives you a good balance between file size and image quality, especially if you're sharing the album with other people. Once your export settings are ready, click Export and wait for Lightroom to finish creating the files. Depending on how many photos are in the album, this may take a little while. When it's done, you'll have a normal folder on your computer containing all of your exported images. This is the folder you will upload to Google Drive. Now open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. From the Drive homepage, click New. You can either choose Folder Upload or simply drag and drop the exported folder into the browser window. If you want to keep everything organized, creating a new folder in Drive first is a great idea, especially if this is part of a larger project or client delivery. Next, select the exported Lightroom folder from your computer and start the upload. Google Drive will begin transferring all of the images into your account. If the folder is large, just let the upload finish completely before closing the browser. Once the upload is done, you can open the folder in Drive and confirm that all of your Lightroom images are there. And that's the simple workflow. Export first from Lightroom, then upload the exported folder to Google Drive. Remember, Lightroom albums don't upload directly, so this extra export step is required every time. If you want the best results, stick with sRGB and JPEG for easy sharing and compatibility. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.